No more customers for big pharmaceutical companies because information creates independence. When you understand what's happening at a molecular level, the kitchen becomes a lab. Onion and garlic activate sulfur-based compounds the moment they are cut, producing reactive molecules that interact with mucus structures and oxidative pathways. Ginger introduces gingerols, chigols that influence inflammatory signaling and smooth muscle response, while turmeric delivers curcuminoids that support cellular communication and redox balance. Raw honey functions as a biochemical stabilizer, enzyme-rich, hygroscopic, protective, while olive oil serves as a lipid carrier, increasing bioavailability so fat-soluble compounds can be easily absorbed. This isn't hype, it's not magic, it's molecular synergy. Grab the bitters. My unique blend cures cancer. Link in bio.